all, welcome to TechFestJava. In this video, we are going to discuss about how can we register any microservice with Spring client config server. So basically, in previous video, we have seen that we have created one config server, and from that particular location, we have loaded that properties files. So in this, basically, we are going to see that how we can create a microservice which is basically behaving like a config client, and their properties basically will be loaded from the config server in place of directly loading from application.properties existing into a project. So let's just start. So let me just quickly do one thing. Go to create one more project. So let me just try to create a project. Starters. Now I am here. I'm going to create config client. And here I have to give a config client dependency, unless there is a Springboot dependency also we have to add. So expose NFA, that's it. As if I'm adding these two things, and let me try to do this. Okay, so we have created config client. Just open this quickly. Let me just copy this to resolve that. Okay, put it here, and you can see that the config starter config is added now. Now here basically to register with the config server, there are two changes we have to do. One is basically we have to add one annotation called this scope. So this is the annotation we have to add, and apart from that, what we have to do exactly, we have to let me just try to add few things. First is basically I am going to server dot code, and I am giving this one as 8080 default port, and one is basically spring dot project. So application dot name. So this one I am giving as techfest config -client. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I am quickly going to add one properties file with this name. So I'm just copying this file and pasting it into our location, which is basically here, and let me just try to rename this file with this name. Okay, so that part I have done. Now one more change I have to give here. Basically I'm going to add one property called demo.text, and here basically I'm giving some message. Just try to give a message something like welcome to config and register. Okay. I am taking this, copying, cut this, putting it here, and this. With notepad, just paste it here. Okay, and now here basically I am going to create annotating this with rest client, rest controller. Here I am defining one value, annotation, and just try to do this way. Message, and here basically what is the name of the property we have defined. So I'm just taking this one, demo.text bar. Okay, so private string value. Okay, let me just try to create one REST API. REST mapping value. I'm just giving to the value a message, and here basically public string get message return field value. That's it. Okay, so let me just do one more thing. So print that message. That's it. I think our service is ready, so let me just save these. Okay, let me just rerun both things, client and server again. So stopping it, let me rerun the server first. Okay, now server is running. Let me just quickly run this client also. Okay, the client is having an issue. What is this? Spring not config info. Okay, that is required. this, I have this. Oh, I have missed one more thing. Basically, I have to give the server path over here, the config server path, which is pointing to that. So that's why it is missing. So we have to quickly define this string dot config cloud.config dot URI. Yeah. So this could be http localhost 8888. I think that's enough. Okay. Let me just rerun this. So okay, not rerun to find. Range is not working. Config import is not done. Why it is not taking? Service name. The config URI. That service is not running. What? Let me just check this. This service is running, so let me just try to do one thing. I will just try to hit that with the project name. What is the project name? Project name is this. Okay, let me try to do one thing. Put it that. Let's try this. Okay, properties is defined. Source is also defined. What is the issue? Quickly just checking. Oh, this is missing. Okay, let me just rerun again. Okay, add a string config import to config server. Configuration. Okay, so let me try to define this, see what would happen. And to get this property, this is the path. Okay, this server is, I guess, still running. The server is running. Okay, let me just try to run it again. Okay, I think okay, now it's running. So let's just try to hit that service and see that what we will get. Okay, now you can see that we have defined this property in our this file basically, and yeah, so we have defined this property over here, and if you can see that we haven't defined over here in our project application dot property. So this way we can configure the config client with config server, and enables it to do the changes for that and externalize this application.properties. So if we are making the here any changes, so we don't require to start the service again. We just call the press service, and your reflected the changes will be reflected in the API itself. It will reading the new values from there. So that's it for this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, comment out if any suggestions or anything query you have, and like this video, and also please press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.